Joe and 2 weather, Kamakapili.
Let's start off with the latest in hurricane season. Where in the Central Pacific, we're nice and quiet right now, but it's in the Eastern Pacific where we have a new tropical disturbance, 17E. Now, within the 5-day forecast, we do see this strengthen to possibly peaking at a Category 1 within the next 3-day period. But after that, moving on from 4 or 5 days and extended, we do see it moving into cooler waters, drier air, which we've learned those help to break down systems. So right now, not posing a threat to the islands, but make sure you guys stay tuned with KHON2. Now, in terms of the latest with what's going on with Tropical Storm Beta in the Gulf of Mexico, now right now it is picking up strength, or at least staying steady in its position, slightly strengthening as it makes its way towards the land, and we expect making landfall within the next 24 hours or so. At that point, as it progresses, we do see then a weakening trend. We have to see what the latest on that. So if you have any friends or family there, make sure you go and check in on them. Now, we do have moderate threats for ocean conditions and the fire, and I'll leave this at moderate just because we're getting back to more drier conditions. This weekend, last night into today, we had a break of this dry trend. We had a little uptick of moisture, a little uptick of cloud coverage, but a more dry air mass is now making its way over the island. So we're going to get back to more isolated showers during the afternoon, increase of shower activity through the evening and the early morning hours, leaving the afternoons mostly dry, mainly, especially for the leeward sides of the islands. Looking at our Nalu, our waves 2 to 4 for north, west, and east-facing shores, 3 to 5 down on the south. Now, we are expecting some reinforced swells for north and south later on this week, so we should be seeing at least some fun size waves, but everything below advisory levels. Now, in the coming days, what we're going to be seeing is at least our winds are going to be moderate for the next 2 days. A good news is we have a new high pressure system that will be moving over the islands on Wednesday, resulting in breezier conditions, hopefully to keep cool these 89, 90-degree temperatures. And that's going to be moving into the weekend where, unfortunately, we see like we possibly could be losing our trade winds. So enjoy them while we have them. Sam, I'll give it back to you.